got one more thing we're gonna do for speed here before we go to the rally track, and that is run over 3 cars with the tank. Might stand back, I don't remember how to drive this. This way, and then we'll switch, and I'll let you drive. It's not that hard. If you want to turn left, you grab this and yank on it like you mean it. If you want to turn right, you grab this and yank on it like you mean it. Got it.
Okay, just tell me right or left, all right?
Yep, right, just a little bit. Give it some gas.
What the f? What the f? Yo!
I imagine I'm like, dude, we're gonna ease up in it and you're just gonna go over the top, and the next thing I see that look in his eye and he's away at the turbo spool and we were gone.